Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sherbet drink. First, select your favorite sherbet flavor like rainbow or orange. You'll also need a carbonated beverage, such as lemon-lime soda or ginger ale, and some fresh fruit for garnish. Make sure your sherbet is slightly softened, not rock hard, for the best texture. This simple combination creates a delightful, fizzy treat perfect for any occasion. Now, let's get to mixing. Take your softened sherbet and place about 2 to 3 generous scoops into each tall glass. Next, slowly pour approximately 8 ounces of your chosen carbonated beverage over the sherbet. You'll immediately notice a wonderful fizzing and foaming action as the soda reacts with the sherbet. This creates a beautiful, frothy top layer that's part of the drink's charm. Want to make your sherbet drink even more unique? Consider adding a splash of fruit juice like pineapple or cranberry for an extra burst of flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with various sherbet and soda pairings. Orange sherbet with cream soda is a classic. For a beautiful finish, garnish your drink with fresh berries, a slice of citrus, or a sprig of mint. These small touches elevate the experience. Your delicious sherbet drink is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with a spoon, perfect for scooping up the creamy sherbet, and a straw for sipping the fizzy liquid. This drink is best consumed while it's still wonderfully cold and effervescent. It's a fantastic, easy-to-make treat that's sure to bring smiles. Cheers to a simple, refreshing delight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.